Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make Bavarian cucumber salad with a wonderful creamy dill sauce. This is a very popular side dish in German homes, and you will find this traditional dish on every Oktoberfest menu and in many Bavarian restaurants. First, you need to peel the cucumbers, slice them thinly, and add them to a large bowl. Then finely cube the onion and add to the cucumbers. Mix the heavy whipping cream, sour cream, lemon juice, sugar, salt and pepper in a small bowl. Add the mixture to the cucumbers and mix well. Then chop the dill finely. Add the dill to the salad and toss lightly. Let the salad marinate for about 15 minutes before serving. This Bavarian cucumber salad is the perfect side to all kinds of German dishes. Subscribe to our channel and try some of our recipes. Guten Appetit!